Good morning, England. Welcome to the real Jukesy. And today, where am I? Spice Fusion, and I'm going to do an Indian cooking class. That'll be good, won't it? And they said there's plenty of wine to be drunk, so come and follow us and do some cooking.
You all ready today? Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, chef.
Good morning.
Well,
Smells nice in there, doesn't
It
it?
does.
Obviously, still I'm compromising because I need to show you the marination. But back when you do at home, marinate a day in advance. Now put a slice away for that quantity. You can use some green or red peppers, whole garlic, whole cumin seeds, 1 or 2 green chili, turmeric powder, salt, and I put some water, and chef will put for boiling. It will take at least 1 hour to just cook. So chef, so you see that this is basically, but I give even some cashew nut as well. The cashew nut you're not allergic to any nuts in one, yeah. It gives more body, to the sauce texture. So you got the turmeric powder, you got this the cumin seeds, there's a whole garlic, the chopped tomatoes you can buy from the supermarket, yeah, and then you got this cashew nuts, few cashew nuts, just grind them up. Take the Greek yogurt because that gives more texture, that's more firmer than this one.
Does it have to be fat free or just normal?
Normal, because if you get, are you
watery,
specifically fat free or you just want to be healthy and use a fat?
Healthy addition. Healthy,
Yeah, that's fine. Because the main purpose of using yogurt to the meat is a natural tenderizer. So overnight marination. You got a chili powder, lemon juice, salt. It's a bit hot. Okay, so you okay with the hot or just yeah? You okay, ma'am? Hot? Yeah. You okay?
Yes.
Just don't put too much.
Get the yogurt ready.
Yeah.
Half table. Then probably he'll say, please will say, no, wait, this is too hot. Forget about the wine. Give me some wine. I'll put some salt.
Then when you drink the beer after.
Yeah.
This some coriander powder.
Coriander powder, cumin powder.
Put some more. See, when you put coriander and cumin, the ratio should be 1:2 or 1:1:1.5.
More coriander.
Yeah, more coriander because
Paul, will you send me that after? I'm going to go broke.
Money.
Yeah.
you have to take its what he spent here. It's called good businessman.
Cumin
Because
powder.
cumin is very strong spice.
Yeah.
It got more of nutty
Nice.
flavor, it's strong. So you use less of cumin, more of coriander.
It's like the ginger and garlic, isn't it?
Yeah. Ginger
More-
is less,
Yeah,
garlic is
more
more.
garlic, yeah. What's the ratio there? Is it
1:3.
3?
1:2.
1 to 2?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
But if another thing is ginger garlic. When you paste, if you make at home, but probably you get a supermarket, ginger garlic paste, you go to Asda. Ginger garlic paste, is good for people who got hypertension. Very funny. It's probably 10 years before. One of
Go on.
So once we mix it, when you're making at home, ma'am, keep it for a overnight at least. So it will have all the flavor. You can come a bit further. If you want.
Normally.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But you should go to south, like some more water, Akash, if you want. thing is, tempering. Tempering is we heat the oil, then you add whole seeds, spice seeds like cumin seeds or mustard seeds, which need to crackle.
Right.
Then only you put all this. If it doesn't crackle,
No, I was just looking.
if it doesn't
It's just
crackle,
oil, yeah.
you won't get the aroma. It doesn't give flavor, aroma. You have cumin, okay. So you can see that coming out because you need to crackle the cumin. So using all these three elements together, three vegetables. Okay. Just put the cauliflower.
Cauliflower. I'll put some beans.
Green beans. Yeah. And the carrot.
And carrot.
And if you see this powder, this is basically what I have done to make it easy. Cumin, curry powder. Cumin, coriander, chili powder. And we got some salt, and put some spice. Ada kichi. That spice, this one.
Yes.
That mixed spices. Mixed spice. We got cumin, coriander, turmeric, and chili. Cumin and coriander 1:2 ratio.
And you make that yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll taste it.
Mice piper.
And that's boiled with salt in the water or?
Yeah, so water and put a little bit of salt. Seasoning. But anyway, I have to check once I mix this. To again check the So it's just boiled it.
No.
No, fully boiled.
Soft.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you make a mash?
Oh, right.
That, But don't that one. This one will not. You don't make it mash rustic like this. You know, you want it with a bite.
Yeah.
So this.
Okay.
I'm going to make it there anyway.
Yeah.
So once the vegetable is cooked. Because I am telling you, I told you before, you can do a lot of things nice. But if the seasoning is not right, you'll not get the product. And sometimes if you feel like you're making a sauce, and if you oh my goodness, you put too much salt. If you put too much salt, it's hard to get it right. So either you bulk the quantity, yeah. Or is there another option here? You can make a dough, flour, water, make a dough, yeah, and put it inside the sauce. That will absorb some salt. But it's not like a drastic change, but you can do something. Same way, if you you all can test whoever wants. Get a couple of spoons, 3-4 spoons.
Here you go.
Get us some of that one. Dip it in there and get us some. Thank you.
Anyone? No few?
On then. Why not?
That's what we're here for, isn't it?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah.
We'll share my food.
You? Okay.
There's the final product.
You got a spoon?
A bit of left.
He was telling me, I'll tell you, let me speak to the missus. I told her, yeah, I will secretly like it, trust me. Your daughter was that.
That's right, yeah, yeah.
Got a crunchy, tasty spices,
Your
yeah.
daughter said yes, yes.
Quite nice, though, yeah.
Lucky.
8 out of 10, I'll give you that.
Chris said is 2 out of 10.
No, it's nice.
So let's go to the station. Put in.
Very good, very good.
Very good, good. See, this one, one of the day, if you want to do it, in a Sunday, you can cook on a Monday or Tuesday. Get the spices, everything mixed together. Then you
Chaat
come.
masala.
It's different sort of spicing, some seasoning. Chaat masala. You'll get in a Indian supermarket. Yeah. This gives so much flavor. Unbelievable. Just some more. And now, can you, yeah. So this is, like I said, is just a flour, some salt, and I'm making.
Look the consistency.
So what I'm going to do, this is the breadcrumbs. Okay. Just to absorb some bit of extra moisture. Take this out.
So,
Do you always put that in?
do you make your own breadcrumbs?
No, I buy it from this. You can get it like this,
Oh, okay.
like this.
That's the orders coming through now.
Yeah, already. Bit.
Yeah.
Just check the salt.
Yes, chef.
It's okay. Okay, good.
Got me to check.
You'll be making it yourself. Don't worry. You have to make it yourself. You have to make it yourself. Okay. Like now, see, you take you portion it. Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
Then just tap it. Okay. And how to give the round shape? See, this is your finger. Yeah. Do not just take a spoon. And then. So all these things you can make the day you are free and keep it in the fridge. Yeah, just you to put it in. Take the excess of the liquid. See, if I'm making, I'll make alone. But I'm just for your,
Yeah, yeah.
clarity. I'm just taking his help.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah. So you just crump it, okay? Look, it's coming from factory. So now, I want you to make your starter. Each one of you will have this starter. What you make, will have taste there, and make two pieces each. So it will be enough. Because it's anyway the veg.
My first.
Yeah, you are the leader. Follow the leader. So you come this way. It'll be easy for you. Just come. And chef will help you.
You're going that side.
No pressure.
No
Like
pressure.
that.
Yeah, take this one. So take the one.
My fingers are my extended look.
Doesn't matter. Yeah, this one. Just do what I say. Just give it a little bit of shape. The final touch will be given
Oh, okay.
after when you crump it. Yeah. Just dip it. Yeah, one side, second side. Turn it, and then dip it.
Yours as well.
Yeah.
You'll have to do it one hand. Oh yeah, right.
Just get.
Okay, I'll put it to you then.
You know
Just cover
what?
with the
Take the slicer. Or fold.
Yeah.
If it is bigger, just put some more. Yeah. And then like this. Okay. Like this. Hold it like this.
Oh, okay.
This is your plate.
So move now.
the other one.
Yeah,
Good.
one more.
Oh, another one.
Yeah.
Just first put it in the flour.
I mean, it looks bit of too much thing. But once you practice,
Yeah.
it's not that hard. It looks hard, but it's not that hard. Tap it, flatten. Yeah.
Do you flatten it before you put it in the breadcrumbs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's the final.
Right. Okay.
Even though you're a bit round, doesn't matter.
Right.
When you do the final, then you make the right shape.
Are you good?
That's good. That's your clay pot
From a factory.
from the factory. Just leave it on that side.
Sure.
Yeah. Put more of breadcrumbs if you want. Just
Plenty on it.
yeah. Tap it and then. Yes. पापा से ये और तक है ना?
Yes, sure. You are on. पर ये तो पक्का चल रहा
Nice. For the naan bread?
Yeah.
For the naan bread.
Naan bread and tandoori chicken.
Oh, okay.
Everything is cooked. Yeah. Shish kebab.
It's touch.
So what's in there? Apple,
Apple, pears,
and
plums,
plum,
and mint sauce
mint sauce.
and tomato ketchup.
Okay, thank you.
Mint sauce, just touch of mint sauce, and just touch of tomato ketchup and mix it. Don't put too much. You're not making it as the cake. You have to present it nice. So you got a salsa because that. Why I'm giving this? There's a logic behind. Because you got a spice element here. Yeah. At the same time, when you take a bite, it's just not this one. You need to get some other elements to enhance the flavor. One of them is like the fruit, fresh fruits with a bit of tanginess, mintiness, cleans your palate. So this one just go on top. Yeah. This is tamarind sauce. Again, you can buy, you can get it from supermarket. It's Eastern, same brand. Okay. Then put on top like a tower. Yep. Ready?
Yes.
Always give it to us. See, this basically this I'm doing bit of extra just to give it a more better look. This is balsamic glaze. Again, you can get the balsamic glaze in Asda or Tesco. Just put in a squeezy bottle. Okay, and these are a bit of micro herbs, pea shoots. And to be a more colorful, what you can do is chili oil. Again, you can get how it looks. So you're going to make it of your own now. Starter. You can put it very far.
Okay.
Put it here first.
Nothing.
And ma'am, your one, you can bring your as well.
Oh, yours as well. There you go.
You don't need to hold it.
Okay.
I'm a good holder.
Good, good.
Sorry. I mean, I'm useless at everything else, but I reckon I can hold.
This one is just 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Just give that texture. You can fit yourself.
Okay.
Next, please. These two zeros. These two.
Okay.
One more.
Oh, sorry. No, you can do yours.
Your
No, this tamarind
That's
sauce.
tamarind?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, what?
Yes. Put another one on it, top of it.
Oh, thank you.
Put some tamarind sauce. Yes. Here you go with the pea shoot.
Pea shoot.
Yeah, pea shoot.
Just one?
Yes. Here you go. with the glaze.
Nice stroke, Paul.
Thank you.
And you go with the chili oil as well.
How would you like this done?
Yeah, nice.
With the red twice?
Yeah,
twice. Yes.
£7, please, sir.
Very artistic.
There we go, there we go. There you go, so that's my starter made. I think it's vegetable cakes. Very good, look at this. Can't wait to try this. Oh, and there's a bit of wine as well, look. Chardonnay. Oh, forgot to try it. Yeah, that'll do. Everyone else is driving, so I'll have this. Cheers.
Take one.
Wow. That's brilliant, that is, isn't it? Okay. How long you cook that for? 1 hour?
1 hour.
Massive pot as well.
You know what? Like, it's too chemical. This is the gas. This is more easy to control. When I did my trading, we used to use charcoal memory and all that. So it was charcoal there. And the point is, there will be one sort of engine, yeah, which. When it pass that.
Come on, brother, come on, get in the video. Anybody else? The best part of this Indian restaurant cooking class is the free wine. I forgot what we remember for dinner now, it's just the wine's good, isn't it?
Have you done that? Please, done?
Yes.
Melt it in.
Yeah.
Easy. Smooth, it's make it smooth and rich.
Butter is for just give it a rich.
Okay.
Very good.
Wow, that's where all the plates are. Everyone give it a round warm.
Sorry.
Make the dish a bit of hot.
I have put 1 spoon of 1 spoon of sugar, 1.5 spoon of sugar, 1/2 spoon of salt, and then I have put pinch of like more than kasuri methi.
What's this one?
Kasuri methi, that is dry.
Dried
Fenugreek. Fenugreek. Yeah.
Your sauce is ready?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I was having that then.
Yeah. Good.
It's good, get your teaspoon.
I've got my spoon, don't worry.
Yeah. No worries.
Yeah.
I can bring it for you.
Okay, go and get me a spoon then.
Like this. You don't need say to me. If
You know, it looks like carrot soup.
Yeah.
But very concerned about it. Yeah.
Very good, very good. Yeah.
Can you one of the game? Are the center of attraction. But I would like you two guys try this one.
Yeah. Good, yeah.
Them is different.
We like that.
Him, Nathan and Chris and Paul. Akash, can you give me some hot water? So anyway, it's ready now.
Ready now?
Yeah. It's not that hot. Still, I give just because I don't want to. Okay, we are ready now. So Akash, the rice is ready. So I'll put one plate. Then you plate yourself. Nathan is not very happy.
Stop him now.
I'll see you in Algrave. You don't give me this curry in Algrave. I'm going to
Go and
shoot
swear
you.
on YouTube.
Oh, half and half already.
Sorry, I'm just kidding. Just making me laugh. So I'm putting, ma'am, for you. Just put some rice. But if you want later some more rice, I can.
No, that's fine.
Tap it. Can you get one big spoon? Yes. This is the carb element. So just tap it. Give a nice flicking. And then what I'm going to do is take this off. Yeah. Now you look a bit messy. What do you do? Yeah. It's chat masala.
Go to my house, isn't it?
You're the YouTube, yeah? That's for you.
Very nice, thank you.
So you need to come down and plate yours. I've plated yours.
I can go
Yeah.
Chat masala chicken.
You happy?
yeah.
Whoa! Yes. Gotta be happy with that.
No pressure then.
You've got to shake it now.
I feel I need a cloth to tidy up. No, I've not got a job here.
What's happened there?
Right?
Which one you're on?
I'm going to leave you the biggest. That's yours, Paul. You're on.
Greens. Would you like
Must be the big hands, isn't it?
How's that? No, great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Here we go. What we doing then? Push that down a bit.
Yes.
All good?
Good.
Ready? Ta-da! Right, spicy.
Spicy. There you go.
Are you having spicy? Is it going to be enough for you?
I'm not. You have plenty.
Can you spin the
I
plate
might have
round?
half and half full.
Half and half?
Yeah.
Right, I better have some of this because it will be gone. There you go. There you go, chef.
Thank you.
What do we do here then? Which one you having? You having that one? Which one shall I have?
Have a big one. All yours. And
Right.
last one, 2.
2?
Yeah.
Which one you having? That one. So I'll have this one. How's that?
Good.
Great. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'll just lick my fingers so you better do that.
Oh, that's fine.
There you go, there you go.
Would you like to have some cream or something?
Yes, yes, I'd like a bit of cream. Can I do it?
Yeah, sure. It will be pour too much.
That's
Big-
alright.
Just,
I'll be gentle. Left or right?
Yes.
Whee!
Good. Take that. Take the plate. Akash.
Oh, brother, you gotta take a photo of me now. Come on, bro, come with me.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you. Right, so that's my dinner done. Everyone enjoy their dinner?
Very good.
Very good, very good. What a lovely day out. What a lovely day out at, where are we? Spice Fusion between Kidderminster and Worcester. Go and have a look, it's really, really good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
What's this, pudding?
No, it's a bit of
Hey! Thank you very much, mate.
Where's mine then?
Really good.
put some reviews.
I'll put the, where do you want it? How many do you
Got
want?
one between
Are we
today.
sharing?
Yeah. What is it?
My name.
Thank
Yeah,
you, sir.
thank you very much.
It's a pleasure.
That was really lovely.
Thank you, Nikki. You got my number
I've
anyway.
got your number. I'll
Call
be
us.
contact. We'll be in contact. Thank you.
Thank you, chef.
Thank you.
Very good, very good.
Sorry, what's your name?